right. So I'm on Old Highway in Doyle, California. That's 96109. And I would like to show you what microwave frequencies look like in the sky. Okay? This is what it looks like when your skies are getting hit with microwaves. Okay, you see the layer of smoke there. It's through the windshield, so it's not so great. Alright, if your skies look like this, they're being hit with frequencies. It could be ELF, extreme low frequency, but it's being delivered via microwave. Okay, I don't know what this means for my locale. I don't know if like the hills are gonna start on fire or if we're gonna have earthquakes as a result of it, but that's what it looks like when you're getting hit with microwave frequencies. Now, in your home, you can tell if you're being hit with frequencies, radio frequencies of any type. There's an app you can download called EMF Detector. EMF Detector. Okay? Sometimes you'll hear like a high-pitched sound in your ears, you know, like your ears are ringing. That's usually an indicator that you're getting hit with some sort of electromagnetic frequencies. Alright? Microwave frequencies, electromagnetic frequencies, extreme low frequencies. These are bad for your health. Alright? They're bad for the environment. They're bad for the earth. They're bad for nature. They hurt everything. FYI. Alright? Get on board. See what's really going on. Okay? Check out QAnon. Right now, you can view all the Q posts at QANON.app. QAnon.app. Stay informed. Alright? Fight for your freedom. Help to end these sorts of things. Love you. God bless. In Jesus' name.